Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to one of my most favorite videos of the month, the Show Us Your SheetLoad / Happy Mail video. Each month I like to stop by and share a look with you at what I received in my P.O. box for the month. Many times these are SheetLoad examples. Sometimes they're cards just because, but I always love to open and see each and every one of them. If you're ever interested in showing us your SheetLoad or sending in a card for the end of the month video, I do have my P.O. box address down at the bottom of the description box. Also in the description box is a Show Us Your SheetLoad guidelines video that gives you some parameters to use before you send in a card. Let's go ahead and see what was in my mailbox this month. Before I open up my mail, I wanted to stop by with a special channel member shout out. I recently had a member upgrade to paper trimmer level membership. Thank you so much to Be Creative with Miss Judy B. Your continued support means so much. Thank you as well to all of my channel members who help to keep me creating here on YouTube and the latest SheetLoad of cards free for all subscribers. If you're ever interested in finding out more about the perks of channel membership, check out the join button below this video or the link in the description box below. Up first for mail is this card from Adelheid from Germany. Not only did she send me a lovely Christmas card using the December 2024 layout, she also decorated her envelope so cutely. If you look close, you might recognize that postmark die from the Gummiapan Advent Calendar. Next up is a card from Jay in Wisconsin, who shares here on YouTube on the Craft by Jay channel, and he wrote on the inside he thought this card would be great for me since I'm the queen of rainbows. I agree, everyone knows I love a rainbow, and I also love unicorns, so I love that this was a fun fold and there was that surprise unicorn on the inside as well. Ruth M. from the UK sent me this beautiful Christmas card. I love all those different pattern papers she has used, and I want to try that technique she did at the top with squares. It would be a great one for scraps, and I'm so glad that you enjoyed my Advent series. This beautiful thank you card was sent by Alice R. in Colorado. Not only do I love the card, but inside was a sweet note, and Alice, I hope 2025 goes much better for you. And speaking of sweet notes, this Christmas card from Diane N. in Connecticut also had one on the inside. That is probably one of my favorite things when I get mail from you, is just reading the messages and your cheerful notes. I was blessed with another Christmas card, this one from Kim G in New York. She used those cute penguin papers and the December 2024 SheetLoad to create it. I love those little guys, and if you look closely, those little peppermint accents. Michelle A. from Arizona also used December 2024 and made me a Christmas card. I really like how she has used those thinner strips on the front, and I know you can't see it, but her little sentiment piece is very sparkly. This rainbow card is from my sister Lisa M. in Iowa, and she made this during the December channel member live, where the challenge was to use something crafty that you had gotten for the holidays or something in your stash you hadn't used. So she used this, I believe she said it was a Spellbinders die for the background, and when she shared it at the end of the live and I saw the rainbow, I'm like, please send me that card, and I was so happy when it showed up in my mailbox. This Christmas card came from Gina M. in Pennsylvania, and while the layout looks familiar, like March 2023, she has actually turned it into an A6 card and even shared the cutting dimensions with me. She also shared a package of wonderful Christmas ephemera, which I can't wait to use this next holiday season. Up next was a package from Lynn V, who shares here on YouTube at the LV Handcrafted channel, and she sent me two lovely cards, the one on the right being a shaker, which you know I love, and in the middle she sent me a special button for joining her for the World Card Making Day Marathon. And last but not least, I got 3 pieces of mail this month from Sandra J. of Washington, my crafty godmother. She sent me 2 beautiful cards, and the one on the left features, I think it's called Leonard, which is the Gummy Pan kind of mascot. They have lots of stamps with that. And over on the right, she has used the suitcase from the Spellbinders Advent Calendar for another fun card. Both of them had beautiful notes inside, and one of them had an extra special gift. Thank you so much, Sandra. The next piece of mail she sent was this huge, heavy package that was almost like a Russian nesting doll with a box inside of a box, and it was packed to the brim inside. Oh my goodness, you guys, that box was so stuffed full of crafty goodness, and this is actually kind of for you all. These are either duplicate gift with purchases that Sandra got, or some of them she said they are gently used, like the stamp and stencil combos. But you guys, these are all going to go into my treasure box for giveaways in 2025. Thank you so much, Sandra. This is awesome. I'm always worried that I'm going to run out of prizes, and this will definitely fill up my treasure box. I am always overwhelmed by the creativity and generosity of my subscribers, and this month is no different. Thanks again to everyone who took the time to send in a card, and especially to those of you who sent in gifts, whether little or great big. Until tomorrow, which I will be sharing the brand new sheet load of cards, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.